Söders complete solutions. Industrial compressors. Our products offer a wide range of options with pressure capabilities from 13 to 700 bar. Whether industrial, shipping or naval, whatever the branch or whatever the need, we have the solution. Fully equipped, turnkey ready, power up production today with top-of-the-line technology. The sky is no limit. Everything is possible with our environment-friendly equipment. Quality ranges from industrial to medical and laboratory air quality. High-pressure compressors are designed for industry, offshore, shipping and marine applications. This compressor room is an example of the exchange from air to inert gas, creating and storing it in high-pressure bottle racks and sent further on to the final application. High-quality absorption dryers. The system is regulated through an ECC, electrical compressor control. First in mind, first in choice.